working on Chapter 1 of Blaze New Trails. There are so many fun activities in this chapter, but we spotted some tadpoles down by the lake today, so we are going to do a tadpole experiment.
We have a couple jars and nets, and that's all you need to catch tadpoles in a small pond or even a puddle after a rainstorm.
So let's go. We will keep the tadpoles for about 6 days and chart their growth. We can even start drawing their life scale too. We found several different tadpoles in several different stages.
The student companion has more activities that you can add to your adventures, like finding out what kind of frogs you have and comparing them to toads.
You can discover so much with a pond study, learning about the organisms in the water, like the plants that live there and the birds that hang out by the water too.
Go enjoy an afternoon by the water.
Hi, my name is Sarah Markheim, and this is Sammy and Allison. And how old are you guys?
8.
8. And I bought Blaze New Trails because I have 2 older children and I had done a lot of stuff, different things with them. And so I kind of was, I don't want to say losing my spark, but maybe losing my spark. And so I needed to kind of recharge and get refocused and find some fun things to do. And I wanted to make sure I was getting back out into nature with the younger kids. So I brought Blaze New Trails, and I've used it more of a periodic kind of thing. We've been to Blue Springs State Park and done the manatees and a few things like that. But the thing that we've had a lot of fun with recently are tadpoles. Yay! And that's another thing I like about the book, is because if you're just living your life and you're getting out there in nature, you can just say, oh, what does Blaze New Trails have about this? And you'll find the chapter and you can use it like that. So we did the chapter on tadpoles, and so you kids want to show what you did. Well, we had tadpoles and we grew the tadpoles, right? We kept feeding them and getting water from the ditch, and they grew. And so we talked about their life cycle, and then we took pictures. You want to hold up this? So we used, these pages are from the book. And so this is where you kind of monitor your tadpoles. You can vary how you want to do this. But we just took pictures and then put the pictures in and put the dates there. And so it's been, how long has it been since they?
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks is all it took to go from a tadpole to a frog. So our frogs are in here, and Allison wants to take them out. Do you want to take them out? Let's see. Can you take them out like that, or should we take the lid off?
Can you take the lid?
Yeah, okay, you ready? These things go jumping. And here it goes. There we go. It's gonna jump. You want to catch one, Sammy? So, woo! There it goes. So today, later on today, we're gonna release these frogs into our, woo! Got it on here.
So he doesn't jump away.
Like that.
He went right back in.